If you're waking up tired, bloated, and your belly feels like it grew overnight, we need to talk. Because what if I told you there's a simple morning drink that can help boost your metabolism, reduce bloating, and support fat loss without crazy diets or starving yourself? Yeah, I'm serious. Now, before you roll your eyes and know, this isn't some magic TikTok nonsense. This is basic science. Here's the deal. When you wake up, your body is dehydrated. Your metabolism is slower. Your digestive system still half asleep. So if the first thing you throw in your body is sugary coffee or a heavy breakfast, you're already behind. Instead, try this. Warm water, half a fresh lemon, a pinch of cayenne pepper, and 1 teaspoon of raw honey. That's it. Simple, cheap, powerful. Let's break it down real quick. Lemon helps support digestion and gives your liver a little wake-up call. It's loaded with vitamin C and antioxidants. Cayenne pepper, that's the secret weapon. It contains capsaicin, which has been shown to slightly increase metabolism and help your body burn more calories. It also helps reduce appetite. So yeah, fewer cravings later. And raw honey gives you just a small natural energy boost without spiking your blood sugar like processed sugar does. Now listen, this drink is not going to magically burn 20 pounds in a week. Anybody telling you that, they're capping. But here's what it will do. It hydrates your body first thing. It helps reduce bloating. It may slightly increase calorie burn. And it sets the tone for better food choices all day. And that's the real flex. Weight loss isn't about one miracle trick. It's about stacking small wins every day. You drink this first thing in the morning. You go for a 20-minute walk. You eat high-protein meals. You cut back on processed junk. Now suddenly, your body starts changing. Consistency beats hype every time. If you really want to level it up, drink this 20 to 30 minutes before breakfast and combine it with strength training 3 to 4 times a week. That's where the real fat loss happens. And one more thing, if you have acid reflux, stomach issues, or medical conditions, talk to your doctor before adding cayenne. Be smart about it. Bottom line, this isn't a magic potion, but it's a powerful daily habit. Start simple. Stay consistent. Watch what happens in 30 days. Try it tomorrow morning and don't skip. Your future self will thank you. Let's get it.